Welcome to this Tor Browser tutorial. If you are curious about how to browse the web with maximum privacy and security, you are in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the basics of Tor Browser step by step to help you get started within minutes. What is Tor Browser? Tor Browser is your gateway to safer internet browsing. By using onion routing, it ensures your online activity is anonymous and your data stays private. With layers of encryption, just like layers of an onion, it hides your identity from websites and internet service providers and even blocks tracking cookies. Step 1. Downloading Tor Browser. To get started, visit torproject.org and download the browser. It is completely free and available for Windows, Mac, Linux and Android. Once installed, you're ready for a secure browsing experience. Step 2. Connecting to the Tor network. Once you have installed the browser, open it and click Connect. Tor will automatically set up a secure connection using 3 encrypted relays. This ensures that your IP address is hidden and your activity remains anonymous. Just remember, this security comes with a slight trade-off. The connection might be slower than your regular browser, especially for larger downloads. Step 3. Browsing the web with Tor. Tor Browser uses DuckDuckGo as its default search engine, which doesn't track your data. When visiting a website, check for the closed lock icon at the top. Step 4. Enhancing privacy and customizing your experience. Tor Browser comes with built-in add-ons like HTTPS everywhere and no script for added protection. Here is a quick review of what you can do. New identity. Change your identity by restarting Tor for a fresh browsing session. Add-ons. Install extra extensions to customize your experience, though Tor's default security settings should suffice for most users. Settings. In the privacy and security section, you can adjust the level of protection. Choose from standard, safer or safest levels depending on how secure you want to be. Note, higher security may disable some web features. Step 5. Accessing onion services. One of the coolest features of Tor is the ability to access .onion sites, which offer even more privacy and are exclusive to Tor. These sites hide both the users and websites' IP addresses, making them incredibly secure. Step 6. Extra security features. For advanced users, you can configure Onion authentication. Manage your saved Onion keys to access password-protected Onion sites. Bridges. If you are in a country where Tor is blocked, you can use a bridge to bypass these restrictions. Proxies. Set up custom proxies for even more layers of privacy and access. A word of caution, the dark web. Tor Browser can also be used to access the deep and dark web, parts of the internet not indexed by traditional search engines. While the deep web includes valuable resources, the dark web can host illegal content. Be very cautious if you explore these areas and avoid sites that seem suspicious. Optional, contribute to the Tor network. If you are an advanced user with a fast internet connection, you can help strengthen the Tor network by becoming a Tor relay. This increases the number of encrypted relays, helping users worldwide connect more securely. It is an excellent tool for maintaining your privacy and browsing anonymously online. With this guide, you are now ready to start using it. Remember, you can always explore more advanced features as you grow more comfortable with the browser. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about staying safe online, check out our YouTube channel and website for more tutorials.